Hello friends, this is a crochet heart with granny square. In this pattern I am using two color of worsted yarn and one 2.25 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First I am starting from the center portion. This is the heart pattern, so I am using the red color yarn. I am using 2.25 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First make one slip knot, and make 5 foundation chains. And go to the very first stitch and make one slip stitch. This is a very small ring or circle. Now I am working in this circle. Make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet into this ring. Make 2 chain, make 3 more DC into this same ring circle. You repeat the same stitch, same chains or same pattern in this round. You make total 4 times. And then you join it with the beginning chain. 1 2 3 chain. Third chain you join it with slip stitch. This is the first round complete, and for next round make 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more double crochet or DC in the same space, and make 2 chain and skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next space and make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space, into the same space. You repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. I have completed my second round. For third round, you make slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, 3 stitches, and make 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more DC in the same space. And then you go to the last DC stitch. This is the same DC stitch. Here you make one slip stitch and make one slip stitch in the next 8 stitches. Here you make one more slip stitch and make 3 chain counter J, first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochet in the next space. Two chain, go to the corner, make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 more DC in the same space. And then you make one slip stitch in the same DC stitch here, and you do not working in the next 8 stitches, so you make only slip stitch. And then this is the another corner of the square. Here you make 3 chain counter J, first DC, and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. 2 chain and make 3 more DC in the same space. This is the corner portion of the square. And make 1, 2 chain and go to the next space and make 3 DC. And then you do not work any stitches, only you make slip stitch in the next 8 stitches of the corner of the square. Sorry, 3 to 5. You make only 5 slip stitch, the next 5 stitches. I have made this granny heart pattern. This is very simple pattern, and then after that you take your another color yarn for square. And here you join it. This is the bottom part of the heart. Here you join it with slip stitch. You join it your yarn with slip stitch and make 2 chain. And this is the corner space. Here you make 3 DC, 2 chain, and 3 more DC in the same space. And then 2 chain, and here you join it with slip stitch, and you go to the back side of your next here you make slip stitch. You working on the back side, and 2 chain, and you go to the next space and make 3 DC, two chain, and 3 more DC, two chain, and you join it with here slip stitch, and then you working in the back side of your next stitch, make only slip stitch, and then here you make 2 chain and make fill this space with 3 DC, 2 chain, and then you join it with slip stitch in the next stitch, and your square is ready. And for next round you go to the corner with slip stitch, you working only back side, here you make 3 chain, count as a first DC, make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the corner, and 2 chain, and go to the next space, keep the next 3 stitches and make 3 DC, then 2 chain, go to skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next stitch, next space, sorry, and make 3 DC stitch, two chain, and skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next corner space and make 3 DC, 2 chain, and 3 more DC in the same space. You repeat the same pattern in this round. This is the space. Next space, here you make only 3 DC. And then you go to the next space, make 2 chain and go to the next. Two chain, skip the next 3 stitches and make 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC in the same space. You repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. And then here you join it with slip stitch and cut your extra yarn. And your square is ready for use. This is very simple way to make the heart with granny square. You can try it. Thanks for watching.